Congratulations, you're still here, thanks to the Earth, the Moon and the Sun. Allow me to explain. The Earth's axis is a line that goes through the North Pole, comes out the South Pole. It takes 24 hours to complete one full spin on our axis, and we do that 365 times as we orbit around the Sun. What I haven't told you yet is that Earth's axes are actually tilted. So in the summer months, the North Pole is facing towards the Sun, it's hotter. And in the winter months, it's facing away. And the opposite is true in the south. This is what gives us our 4 seasons. Now the equator is a line that goes around the middle of our planet here. And the reason why the countries nearer the equator are hotter than the poles is because of where the sun is. The sun passes directly over the equator. This means that the light here is more concentrated, whereas the light that reaches the poles has to pass through more atmosphere, so it spreads out and weakens, which is why it's cooler at the poles and warmer at the equator. So that's why Spain is hotter than England. It's just closer to the equator. Now, you remember that I said Earth's axes are tilted? Well, the amount by which they're tilted is changing all the time. In fact, over the course of a human lifetime, barely at all. But over millennia, the change is significant. And this is where the role of the moon has played a vital part in us even coming into existence. The gravitational force by the moon has acted as a brake, slowing down the rate at which the axis has changed its tilt. Had the moon not existed, the tilt would have changed so much so that the poles would have become the equator. This amount of change would have caused havoc for any life forms on Earth. And we can say with certainty that had the moon not been the moon that it is and in the place that it is, then we would not have come into existence, because it stabilised the amount of change the climate has experienced here on Earth. So thank you, moon. In fact, considering the relationships between these big objects like the Earth, the moon and the sun fascinates me, because had they been ever so slightly different, and they could have been vastly different, we wouldn't be here. It's as simple as that. And so I'm grateful for this opportunity, and I intend to have as much fun as I can while I'm here. And I'm going to start by playing with my new brothers. Any guesses which game I'm going to play? Have a great day.